Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a very beginner friendly no foundation makeup look. First we are going to hydrate our skin using this plum toner. I like to dab in a little bit so it absorbs really well into the skin. Then I'm going to apply this Dot and Key lip gloss to nourish my lips and prep them for lipstick. Now we are going to use this L'Oreal full coverage concealer to conceal any dark spots and acne marks on my face. I choose a shade that matches my skin tone so it does not stand out too much. Also, it has very high coverage. Letting it sit for a few minutes. Now I'm using this Mars eyebrow palette along with this brush to lightly fill in my brows on both sides. I'm keeping it very soft and natural. My brows are done, so now I'm blending my concealer, and I like to use my fingers to blend it because I think it blends more easily and melt into the skin better than a sponge. Using my favorite Mars blush, I'm taking a small amount on the back of my hand first, then I'm using my fingers to apply the blush onto my cheeks. I mostly do my makeup with my hands, like my blush, concealer and lipsticks, because it gives a more natural finish. Also applying some on my nose and chin. Sometimes I like to add a little more definition to my face, so I'm using this Mars eyebrow palette since I don't have any other product for this. So after applying it on both sides of my face, I'm also adding a little bit on my eyelids to create some shadows. Again, I'm using this palette for my eyeshadow. I really like this product because it's multi-purpose. I can use it for my brows, contour, and even as eyeshadow. And it's only $2.49, so it's definitely a must-have in your makeup collection. Now I'm using this Maybelline liquid eyeliner. This is definitely one of my favorite eyeliners, and it's very affordable too. And let me tell you, I have oily skin. My face gets oily very quickly, but this still stays on for throughout the day. I mean, like what? Here comes my favorite part, the lips. First, I'm using this Swiss Beauty lip liner. I don't usually overline my lips because I prefer to keep them natural. I'm just following my natural lip shape and slightly defining the edges. Finally, I'm applying my lipstick, and it's this beautiful rosy shade from Lakme. There's such a buttery soft texture. It glides off so smoothly, like just look at that. Okay, let's move on to lashes. My lashes are very straight, so it's very hard to curl them, but let's try our best. I'm using this Maybelline Sky High mascara. I'm applying like 2 coats to make my lashes look all lifted. Don't slip on this inside 100 rupees gloss. It gives such a beautiful glossy finish and it does not budge easily. Lip gloss girlies, this one is a must-have. Lastly, I'm applying Maybelline setting spray, and that's it. We are done. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.